In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Alt plus Tab out of games and then screen turns black for 2 to 3 seconds. So first thing you want to do, right click display settings, and here choose the display. Down here you'll see scale. Make sure you select recommended for your scale. For display resolution, also select recommended. So once you do this, go to advanced display. Here you will see the hertz. Make sure you keep this whatever is the default for it. So if you have adjusted and altered this before, make sure to keep it back to its normal default setting. And then once you do this, you can just do the same thing to the other screen. If you have multiple screens, go back to the same one and do the same thing if you have multiple screens. Now, as for this hertz, if you can't tell which one is the default, then you can just try, like go to this one and then this one, just try each one and see if it whichever fixes the error, you just keep it at that. And once you do this, hopefully this fixes your errors.